In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Drive on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just go to any browser and in the browser search for Google Drive for desktop. Then press enter and here you will see support.google.com. Here you can see install Drive for desktop. So you need to click here. Then you need to go down and here you can see download for Windows and Mac option. So we are using Windows, so we are going to click on download for Windows and it will start downloading a file. And here you can see Google Drive setup.exe. So it will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video. And here you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this downloaded file. And after that it will show you something like this. So here you also should check this icon, add a shortcut to your desktop, then also check this on, then click on install and there you can see it is done. So right now we are going to click on launch. So here you can see on the left side we have Google Drive icon over here. So I'm going to click on get started and we need to sign in to the Google Drive. So let me just choose my email address from here, click on sign in and there you can see success. So right now if I just go back to my Google Drive, okay, it just closed. Okay, let me just open it again. There you can see, okay, let me just skip all of them, skip next and open Drive. And there you can see we have successfully installed Google Drive and we also logged in with our Gmail address as well. There you can see. So yeah, this is how you can install Google Drive on your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe